Hey, this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we've got an unboxing of a cool pair of boots that I picked up from Cru Nonpareil. This is my third pair of shoes or boots from them. The first one, as you'll recall, was a pair of suede split toes that they gifted me because they wanted me to look at their online customization tool. And these are ones that the shoemaker, Kenwin, came up to me, or the owner, I guess, he came up to me and he said, "Hey, what do you think about this leather?" And I said, "Hey, that's awesome. I think I want to do that." And then I posted it, and he posted it in a couple different places, and we found a group to get it together so that we were able to build these boots. Now, this is Kangaroo leather, and this is my very first experience with Kangaroo leather. So we're going to be looking at this together to get my first impressions of it and to see how the boots came out. So I'm very excited. A couple of the other people in the group got their boots already, and they sent them to me. Or they sent the pictures to me, rather. And so I have a little bit of a preview, but I'm very excited to see how these came out. Now, these bags are very, very nice. Just straight black, love it. And this is the boot. Now, this is so soft. I can't even tell you how soft this is. This is really cool. We did a purple lining on these, which I thought was neat, and I did these Ridgeway soles, which I am extremely excited about. Super, super excited. Now this is so soft. I mean, this is like totally next level. Never had Kangaroo before, and I'm really, really excited with the way these came out. So I'm gonna go here, check these out. Now, the person who sent me pictures of his, they were not Ridgeway soles. Now, this is not a day-night Ridgeway, so I'm not sure who does them, but it doesn't feel like day-night, but it feels really good, and that's nice. Now, you can see, they don't do grooves in rubber soles. None of the makers do, but you can see the stitch density on these is actually pretty nice. All right, and they obviously kept it really tight along the sole, and if you look at the top, very, very nicely done. There's a little bit of storm welt on it. Storm welt's pretty tight. Just a very, very interesting look. Look at the welt. You can't even see where that comes together. They did a really nice job with that. And even the leather strap. That is one piece. It's just got a sew line there, which is nice. So, real excited. They look really good. So we're gonna move the box and get this out of the way. Take a closer look at these boots here. First, we're gonna take this out and take that out, and then let's see how this is. Now, I wanted round laces, which of course they were able to accommodate. They always offer a lot of flex on these, and you can see they have the stamp, the Cru Nonpareil stamp on the inside, and just a beautiful, beautiful job on these in general. So you can see there's that natural texture of the Kangaroo. It's coming through. You can see the skiving here is not, now these are not expensive, right? I think these were a little less than 500 bucks with the exotic material. And so this is, the skiving is not what I would consider high-end, but I don't expect it in this price range either. And again, super, super soft. And that purple, completely invisible when the shoes are closed, and something just for me to know, which I like. I like small details that are really for me. And then here's that sole again. This is the other shoe. See, they did some nail work there to hold it on. Again, very, very nice. So what's your experience with Kangaroo? I was thinking about picking up a pair of RM Williams, but I'm not really into I'm not really into the Chelsea boot. I only have one pair. I like them, but you know, it's not really my thing. So this style seemed like it was a little more versatile to what I was going to be using it for. So let me know your thoughts on Kangaroo and what you think of these particular boots. You know, this hardware just looks really, really good. There's brushed nickel. It's got the black on the blind eyelets on the inside. I think it's a very nice, well put together boot.